Konnichiwa minasan. This is the last exercise, assignment exercise, and last two patterns are there. I am going to explain through this video. The first pattern is related to purpose. Well, here I think it's first time we are using two verbs in a sentence. Well, the basic sentence is ikimasu. I'm going somewhere. Okay, so for going, I'm coming from somewhere. I'm moving somewhere. There are three verbs: ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. They shows the movement from one place to another place. So here we use these three verbs again. Okay. So what was the sentence structure? Or already we studied that place A ikimasu. Example: Jaipur A ikimasu. Sikar A ikimasu. So this same pattern we are using, but in between Jaipur A ikimasu, in between A and ikimasu, we put the purpose of going to Jaipur or any destination, or we put purpose of coming to some destination, or purpose of returning in same way. Okay, let's see how we do it. The first is thing is noun, place A. Okay, so this noun A, ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. This we did already. Okay, in between we are putting these things. That is verb or noun with ni particle. Okay, and this ni particle will show purpose of something. Okay, so let's focus on this portion of sentence. Verb, for example, we take a verb tabemasu. Okay, so we remove mas of tabemasu and add ni, tabe ni. So what was the tabemasu? To eat. Okay, tabemasu, eat. Okay, tabemasu is eat. So if we remove mas and add ni, it shows the purpose. That means for eating, खाने के लिए. Okay, so if we say Sikar A tabe ni ikimasu, that means Sikar, I'm going to Sikar for eating. Okay, so the main sentence is some place, I'm going to some place. Okay, in between we having the purpose. Let's study few examples. The main sentence is Kobe A ikimasu. I'm going to Kobe, and in between we having the purpose. Purpose is here. Okay, Indoryo Rio tabe ni. What is purpose? Indian dishes, eating. Okay, for eating Indian dishes. Indoryo Rio tabe ni ikimasu. All right. So how? What we change? We change here. We remove mas and we add ni, tabe ni. Okay. If we say same sentence in Hindi, Kobe ko, Indoryo Rio Indian dishes, tabe ni खाने के लिए, ikimasu जाता हूँ. Okay. So I'm going to Kobe to have some Indian food. All right. So in same way, one more example. Kobe e kaimono ni ikimasu. So here this kaimono is not a verb. Tabemasu was a verb, so we remove mas and we add ni. Here kaimono is a noun. Kaimono means shopping. Okay. Although it shows purpose. Okay. So Kobe e kaimono ni ikimasu. So Kobe kaimono के लिए जाता हूँ. So in case verb and noun, we can use this same thing. If we use verb or noun and we have ni particle after it, then it is followed by ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. That means we are showing purpose through ni particle. All right. Let's read this 10th example. Nihon e bijitsu no benkyou ni kimashita. Well, what is kimashita? It's past of kimashita, came. Okay. Nihon e kimashita. Oh, sorry. Nihon e kimashita. That means the main sentence is Japan आया हूँ, came to Japan. Bijitsu no benkyou ni. This is the purpose. Bijitsu is art. Bijitsu no benkyou ni kimashita. Bijitsu की स्टडी के लिए आया हूँ जापान. Alright? I came to Japan to study arts. I hope it is clear. Then we have one more example. Well, Ashita Kyoto no Omatsuri ni ikimasu. Ashita is tomorrow. Kyoto no Omatsuri ni ikimasu. So here in same we having a different purpose. Okay? And if we have a different purpose, the place is not given here, but it's all right. Kyoto no Matsuri. It means the festival of Kyoto. Kyoto is place, Matsuri is festival. So कल क्योतो का जो फेस्टिवल है उसमें जाऊंगा. I am going. All right. Next we have grammar pattern. That is continue with doko ka nani ka. All right. Well, this we studied already also. That is doko ka and nani ka is for somewhere. Nani ka is for something. All right. Doko ka means anywhere also or somewhere, and this is written here. You can read it. Well, we read the example number 12. Fuyuyasumi wa doko ka ikimasu ka? Fuyuyasumi wa doko ka e ikimashita ka? Okay. So, what is Fuyuyasumi? Yasumi is holiday. Fuyu is winter. Winter break. They are talking about winter break. Ikimashita is past tense. Okay. Doko ka somewhere. Did you go anywhere for your winter break? Winter holiday? Okay. आप होली ब्रेक आपके विंटर ब्रेक पे आप कहीं गए थे क्या? ओके. विंटर ब्रेक पे कहीं को गए थे क्या? ओके. सो दे आर सेइंग हाय होकाइदो ए सुकी नि इकिमाशिता. So they are saying yes, I went to skiing in Hokkaido. Hokkaido गए थे. All right. What was the purpose? Suki ni. Okay, suki is skiing के लिए आता है. Suki ni ikimashita. I hope it is clear. Now next we having the sentence number 13. Nodo ga kawakimashita kara nani ka nomitai desu. So here we studied about this pattern that is nomitai. Tai is form we studied in previous lecture. That means I want to. Nomi means to drink. Nomitai, I want to drink. Okay. Nanika, what is nanika? Nanika is something. All right. Nanika nomitai desu. I want to drink something. And the cause is given before kara. This pattern also we studied. Okay. So, nodo ga kawakimashita. What is kawakimashita? It's dry. I am thirsty. I like to drink something. All right. So here we are understanding nanika. Okay, nanika is for something. Well, next we have go. So go is a suffix. We already studied after languages. Nihon go as a suffix we studied, but now we are studying it as a prefix. Okay, go as a prefix. It's so respect. Okay, so we can use like go chumon wa. So chumon is order, simple. Okay, chumon in restaurants. This phrase is used by the service persons. Okay, they having some slip in their hand and they say go chumon wa. Go chumon ma means what's your order. So they are putting respect before chumon, before order. Yes, these were the patterns. Now we are doing the key patterns, key sentences. Okay, so watashi wa ryori o narai ni ikimasu. So watashi wa you know, watashi wa is a main sentence, or ikimasu is the watashi wa ikimasu is the main sentence. Sorry, watashi wa fransu e ikimasu. This is the main sentence. मैं फ्रांस जाता हूँ. All right. What is purpose? That is shown by ryori o narai ni. For what they go? Ryori o narai ni. What is ryori? Ryori is recipe. Narai ni. So narai must to learn, सीखना. Okay. And we remove narai mas from narai and add ni. That shows सीखने के लिए, for learning. So I am going to France to study cooking, and ryori is for both cooking and dishes. Okay. Then we having few more example sentences. Sumatsu is weekend. Sumatsu wa nani o shimasu ka? What are you going to do on Sumatsu weekend? Nani o shimasu ka? So nani is what? Shimasu to do. Nani o shimasu ka? Weekends पे आप क्या करने वाले हैं? Kodomo to Kobe fune o mini ikimasu. Kodomo to, what is to? To means along with, के साथ. Kodomo to Kobe. Kobe मतलब it's the place in Japan. A particle is there, so we can assume the meaning of Kobe. Kodomo to Kobe fune o mini. For what purpose they are going? Fune o mini. Fune is ship. Mimas to see. Okay, देखना. So we remove mas from mimas and add ni. देखने के लिए mini. Okay. Fune o mini ikimasu. Kodomo to Kobe fune o mini ikimasu. Kodomo के साथ Kobe fune को देखने के लिए जाते हैं. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So next we have Nihon e nan no benkyou ni kimashita ka. What is the main sentence? Nihon e Japan. Okay. Kimashita ka. What is kimashita? Kimashita is the past form of kima, that means came. We already studied it, na? So this is a interrogative sentence. Japan? आए थे क्या? Alright. So here we are asking about the purpose. Nan no benkyou ni. What is nan? What, है ना? Nan no benkyou ni. For what type of study? क्या पढ़ने के लिए? क्या study करने के लिए? है ना? So, nan no benkyou ni. क्या पढ़ने के लिए? The meaning of full sentence is Nihon e Japan nan no benkyou ni. क्या study करने के लिए आए थे? Alright. So, Bijutsu no benkyou ni kimashita. Bijutsu is the museumology. This is art, museums, museum study. Na? I mean, they come to study the museum. Museum no study kimashita. I come to study museum. Translation is given in next sentence. Next slide, so it's all right. Fuyu yasumi wa doko ka ikimashita ka? Fuyu yasumi, winter break. Doko ka? Somewhere. Doko ka? Somewhere. Ikimashita ka? Did you go somewhere in winter break? Winter break पे कहीं को, somewhere. Ikimashita ka? आप गए थे क्या? Okay. A, this is nodding. Yes. Okay. Again, it's not hi, but it is equivalent. A is another way to say hi. Hokkaido e. Hokkaido is the place. Hokkaido e suki ni ikimashita. Suki again skiing, है ना? I go Hokkaido ski के लिए गए थे. For purpose of skiing. Okay. All right. These are the translation of previous slides. I hope you will study by yourself. Okay. Here is the drill. Okay. Drill for the same patterns. The main sentence is watashi wa Kobe e ikimasu. All right. And in between, this is the what? This is the purpose. Watashi wa Kobe e asobi ni ikimasu. Asobi means to play, right? To enjoy. मैं कोबे enjoy करने जाता हूँ. Okay. Watashi wa Kobe e Nihon ryori o tabe ni ikimasu. मैं कोबे Japanese dishes, Japanese खाने के लिए जाता हूँ. ताबे ni. Okay. Watashi wa Kobe e kaimono ni ikimasu. I go to Kobe for shopping. All right. Watashi wa Kyoto e bijutsu no benkyou ni ikimasu. I go to Kyoto for studying bijutsu. Bijutsu is art, museum है ना, okay, or arts something, all right, so arts. Then in last sentence we having we have to form the question for that thing, so that in this question we are going to ask for what purpose you are going somewhere, okay. So あなたは京都へ何をしに行きますか? Okay, आप क्योतो क्या करने जाते हैं? She must to do. Okay, nani o si ni. We remove mas and ni, si ni. Then we will ikimasu ka. So あなたは京都へ何をしに行きますか? आप क्योतो में आप क्या करने जाते हैं? Let's see the examples. This is the assignment. This is the last assignment. Okay, so don't forget to submit this one. Okay, this is the part and portion of 5th assignment. Okay, so let's see. The first we have to make sentences, that should show the purpose. Okay, so place example is given. This is example, and the sentence is here. Rei means example. Okay, sentence is Italia e uta o narai ni ikimasu. So the place name is Italia. Italia is Italy. Italy for Italia e uta o narai ni ikimasu. Italy, I am going to Italy for learning uta. Uta is song. Okay, so गाना सीखने के लिए जाता हूँ. कहाँ? Italia. Italia गाना सीखने के लिए जाता हूँ. All right. In same way, is the first sentence. This we have to first sentence. The hint is here, na? Oh, sorry. Hint is here. Okay, departmental store. Or what is the purpose? Purpose is given below. Okay. So watashi wa depato ikimasu is the main sentence. For what purpose? Watashi wa omiyage o kai ni. Sorry. Watashi wa omiyage o kai ni depato e ikimasu. Okay, we remove mas of kaimasu and add ni. Okay, in second sentence, kombini is the place again. Kombini is kombini center. Depato is departmental center, na? All right. So we can remove watashi. We can use kombini. Kombini e no nimotsu o okuri ni ikimasu. We remove mas. Okay, or we add ni. So what will be sentence? Kombini ni no nimutsu o okuri ni ikimasu. Okay. In third sentence, Toshokan is library. Toshokan e hon o kari ni ikimasu. Toshokan e hon o kari ni ikimasu. Kari is to borrow. Karimasu to borrow. We remove mas or add ni. Okay. In fourth sentence, eki is station. Eki e tomodachi o mukae ni ikimasu. We remove mas. Okay. Mukae ni ikimasu. Mukae is to what we say for arrival, na? For arrival. That means lene ke liye, na? Mukae ni. All right. Yes. Now we having second exercise. Okay. Here 2 hints are given, and we have to make sentence. It also shows the objective to visit some place. Koen is park. Koen e ikimasu. Sampo shimasu. These are the 2 sentences. I mean 2 things which having 2 verbs. Okay. So koen, going to koen, doing sampo. So 2 things are there, and we merge in the sentence. We form one sentence which shows the things clearly. So koen e ikimasu. In between A, we will put this purpose, sampo si. Okay. So koen A, sampo simas. Sorry, sampo is already a noun, so we remove mas. Sampo ni ikimasu. Okay. Actually, we don't require sampo simas. If you want to add, then you can add sampo o si ni. You can write like this way also, na? Or sampo is also the kaimono, na? So koen e sampo o si ni ikimasu, or Koen e sampo ni ikimasu. Sampo is walking. All right. So now these days it's not allowed to go koen. Okay. So example second. Kyoto e ikimasu. This is the main sentence. Hanashi o shimasu. Purpose is for hanami. Sorry, hanami o shimasu. For watching flowers. Hanami is a Japanese traditional event when the Japanese move to watch flowers in some natural areas like mountains. Okay, all right. So hanami is that term that watching the flowers, seasonal flowers. Okay, so Kyoto e hanami o shi ni ikimasu. The purpose is hanami o shi ni. Okay, Kyoto e hanami ni ikimasu. Again, we can remove this hanami o shi ni. Okay, all right. So again, what we are doing, we are simply we are not using shimasu. We are simply making hanami ni. Okay, we are not using shimasu here. Okay, because these are the verbs. These are the hanami, and these are the nouns which having a direct impact and having a direct meaning. So we are not required to write shimasu. Okay, let's do the first example. Yokohama e ikimasu. Yokohama is a place in Japan. Yokohama e ikimasu. Kaimono shimasu. So again, this kaimono is also a strong word. It's not required verb. If you want to, you can. Okay, so Yokohama e kaimono ni ikimasu. Second, Hotoru e ikimasu. Sokuji shimasu. Sokuji is food. Okay, so Hotoru e sokuji ni ikimasu. Hotoru e sokuji ni ikimasu. Kawa e ikimasu. Kawa e suri ni ikimasu. Sokuji is meal, for food. Hotoru is hotel. So suri is what? Suri is that the fishing. Okay. Okinawa. Okay, where is it? Okay. Okinawa e ryoko ni ikimasu. Ryoko is again a strong word. Okinawa e ryoko ni ikimasu. All right. So this was the second sentence. Third exercise. Asobimasu, then in bracket tomodachi no uchi. Let's form questions, and on the basis of the bracket and hint, we can make answer. All right. So asobimasu is the verb. We have to form a question, and example is given. So we have to do this. Doko e asobi ni ikimasu ka? Doko e asobi ni ikimasu ka? So answer is tomodachi no uchi ni asobi ni ikimasu. So what we have to add here we will write the answer. Okay, the rest sentence will be the same. Tomodachi no uchi ni Tomodachi no uchi e asobi ni ikimasu. Okay, just we replace in answer the answer hint with doko. Doko is the where. Okay, the interrogative word. All right. Omiyage hotoru no oyogimasu. Oyogimasu is to swim. Okay. Hoteru no puru. Hotel, the pool. Puru is pool. Swimming pool. Okay. So the question is doko e omiyage o shimasu ka? Doko e omiyage o shimasu ka? The question may be different. Omiyage is a verb, na? So oyagi must do. So let's do it. It means So doko e oyogi ni ikimasu ka? आप कहाँ पे स्विमिंग करने जाएंगे? ओके, दोको ए ओयोगी नी इकिमासु का? आंसर में भी होतेरू नो पुरू नी ओयोगी नी इकिमासु. होतेरू नो पुरू ni. We need for place. Okay, this ni is for place. We will use two time here. Na? Okay. Omiyage is the second one. Na? Omiyage is gift. souvenirs. Omyage o kaimasu, depato. So question is, doko e omyage o kaimasu ka? Doko e omyage o kaimasu ka? Answer, depato e omyage o kaimasu. Oh, sorry. Doko e omyage o kai ni ikimasu ka? I am repeating. This was second. Doko e omyage o kai ni ikimasu ka? For the purpose of buying souvenirs, gift, where will you go? Okay. Answer is depato e kaimono, depato e omyage o kai ni ikimasu.